Hello everyone, trust you guys are having a good time. To everyone who has been showing me love in one way or the other, I want to use this medium to say thank you so much for your love and support. And to all my new lovers and those who has been engaging back to back on my post, on our own no go spoil. Thank you so much for the love. So this is how I'm preparing for the weekend. As you all know that it has been a long week of midterm break. So I've thought of taking time to get ready for the weekend so that my family can have good meal to eat. So in this video I'm going to be grilling meat. As you can see, these are the ingredients I'm going to be making. In these bowls, I have grated ginger and garlic, rosemary and clove. And also I'll be making use of onion, curry and salt. As you all know, those are the normal ingredients we use. So now let's get started. So that's all guys. I hope you're also going to give this a try instead of frying your meat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. God bless you as you do so. Do have a lovely weekend ahead. Gotcha.